Hello everyone, this is lesson number 73 and let's continue. We have two chapter left in HSK 4, right? It's chapter 18. Let's start. First one is, let's start with 复印. 复印, to photocopy, to duplicate, because 复 it's to repeat, 印 it's to print, something like that. 复印. Please photocopy this document for me. 请帮我复印这份文件，请 please 帮我 help me 复印 to photocopy 这份文件 this document 文件 and 份 it's a measure word for some type of documents, maybe all of types. 请帮我复印这份文件。Next one, the library can duplicate materials for free. 图书馆可以免费的免费复印资料 materials。图书馆library 可以看免费 without a charge or free 免费复印 free copy free duplicate 资料 materials。图书馆可以免费复印资料，对。Next one is 厨房 kitchen. Mom is making dumplings in the kitchen. 妈妈在厨房里做饺子 dumplings. 妈妈在厨房里 in the kitchen. 妈妈 in the kitchen. 对，做 makes or cooking making 饺子 dumplings. 妈妈在厨房里做饺子。This kitchen is very clean and fully equipped. 这个厨房很干净。这个厨房 this kitchen 很干净 very clean. 设备齐全 fully equipped. 设备 is equipment. 齐全 it's fully all complete comprehensive. 设备齐全，这个厨房很干净。设备齐全。Next one, 禁止 to prohibit. 禁止 to forbid, to ban. 禁止 This one is a really important word. 禁止 Smoking is prohibited here. 这里禁止吸烟。这里 here 禁止 prohibited 吸烟 smoking. 这里禁止吸烟，禁止。The school prohibits students from bringing phone to class. 学校禁止学生带手机上课。学校 school 禁止 prohibited 学生 students 带 to bring 手机phone number or phones 上课 on a lesson. So the school prohibits students from bringing phone to class or class 上课 or lesson to class. 学校禁止学生带手机上课。Next one, die to wear on top. Because we have a Tron for clothes, right? But we also have a special word to wear something on top. For example, hat or glasses or gloves. So anything that you put on top, like interesting. Let's see. 他戴了一顶漂亮的帽子。他戴了 she wore 顶 a measure word for 帽子 interesting. You can say 一个 or 一顶漂亮的 beautiful 帽子 hat。他戴了一顶漂亮的帽子。As you can see, 帽 has a pronunciation on the right side, and on the left side represent some clothes. He wears glasses every day because of nearsightedness. Nearsightedness, right? It's when you see very bad in condition where distant objects appear blurry. 近视 Let's see. 他因为this one 近视 close looking, right? 他因为近视每天都戴眼镜。So 他因为 because of 近视 nearsightedness, I think maybe some other words. Myopia, nearsightedness, short-sightedness, just more or less the same. Myopia. 近视每天都 always or every day 戴眼镜。Wear glasses. 他因为近视每天都戴眼镜。Next one, 理发。理发 to cut a hair. So as you can see, it's a verb. Or also could be haircut. I'm going to get a haircut next week. My hair is too long. 我下周要去理发。Go to haircut to cut a hair. 头发太长了 too long 太长了 As you can see, 发 it's represent hair. 理 I think it's to cut. Manage the idea to manage your hair to cut a hair 理发 Also, if you want to say this one, barber shop 理发店 So the place where you can cut your hair 理发店 barber shop, hairdresser, hair salon, currency exchange. What is? 他在理发店工作 So he working in a barber shop. 技术很好 It has great hair cutting skills. So 技术 it's technique, skills. 差不多技术。他在理发店工作，技术很好。Next one, 道歉 to apologize. Or to bring apologize, 道歉. So mostly used like verb, but also I think can be used as the adjective apology, forgiveness. He apologized to the teacher for being late. 他因为迟到向老师道歉了。他因为 because of 迟到 because of late for being late because 他因为迟到向 here is 向 like to 向老师 to the teacher 道歉了 bring apologize 道歉了 I think 道 is like to speak 歉 apologize apology right Dao also has a few translation, but I think here's like word. Of course, it's road mostly way. 他因为迟到向老师道歉了。If you did something wrong, you should apologize. 如果你做错了，就应该道歉。if you 做错了，错 is to make mistake, or 做错 to did something wrong, to do something wrong. 做错了 did something wrong, 就 just 应该道歉 You should apologize. 应该道歉。如果你做错了，就应该道歉。Next one, 出生 to be born. Let's see. She was born born. She was born. Interesting. Born. Born. Okay. She was born into ordinary family in Beijing. Beijing. 她出生在北京一个普通家庭。So she was born. 她出生 but as you can see, she was born, right? But in English, in Chinese, it's like she was. It's just a verb. You don't need to say 她被出生了. Just a verb, just a usual verb. Like in English, she born in the born. 她出生在北京 at Beijing 一个普通家庭 family 普通 just a common ordinary. 她出生在北京一个普通家庭。He was born in 1990. 他出生于1990年1990 1990年。And be careful with this 于 not 在于。他出生于1990年年。Next one 性别 gender or just gender you can say. 性别 because 性 it's a gender, 别 it's difference, so gender difference, gender based. Please fill your gender on the form. 请在表格中填写你的性别。Please 在表格 is a form 在表格中 in the form 填写写 it's to write 填写 it's to fill with writing you can say 填写你的性别 your gender. So please fill your gender on the form. 请在表格中填写你的性别。So here is like just noun. This job has no gender restrictions. 这份工作不限制性别。这个分 measure word for some position, some jobs. 这份工作 this job 不限制 it's to control, to restrict. Right, restrict gender or limit, you can say also restrict, restrain, curtail, circumscribe. Wow. 它不限制性别。这份工作不限制性别。Remember this one, 不 change to the second, 不限制。Let's repeat what we learned today. 复印 to photocopy, to duplicate. 厨房 kitchen. 禁止 to prohibit. 厨房。戴 to wear on top. 戴 to for some mouse, 不是 mouse, 帽子 hat or some glasses. 戴理发 to cut a hair or haircut. 道歉 to apologize or apology. 出生 to be born. 出生 maybe also some another. And 性别 gender. 性别 So we also have one new idiom for today. Let's see. Last time we learned to hit two birds with one arrow. 一箭双雕 Today is a new one. To solve once and for all. 一劳永逸 This idiom means resolving an issue permanently with one effort. 一劳永逸，一弯劳 effort or labor, 永 forever, ease or escape from trouble. Like to rest. We upgraded the system, hoping to solve the problem once and for all. 我们升级了系统，希望一劳永逸解决问题。我们升级to upgrade，升级了系统 system 系统。我们升级了系统，希望 and we hope 一劳 once worked and 永远 and always rest。一劳永逸解决问题。我们升级了系统，希望一劳永逸解决问题。一劳永逸，一劳永逸。Last time we repeated tongue twister, right? Goo goo goo, goo 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 goo. Today is a new one. The rabbit soil suddenly spits. 吐吐吐，不是吐吐吐吐吐吐吐吐吐吐吐吐吐吐。Two rabbit, two soil, two sudden, two to spit. To spit. 对。吐吐吐吐吐吐吐吐。Okay, and see you in the next one.